Hey guys, it's Michelle here, and welcome to the Vlog channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Michelle, and this is my little corner to share positivity and life, love, self-growth tips, motivation, and all that good stuff. And I'm here to tell you guys my Christmas wish list for 2020. It's going to be a great video for me to watch when I'm older. It's also a great video for you guys to get some inspiration for your Christmas list. There's going to be a variety of price ranges in this video. And just a quick note, I know Christmas is about love and popcorn and hot chocolate. I get that, so this is just for fun, and if I don't get anything from this list, totally okay. We all know what's important here, but it is for fun, and it will bring the inner child in us when we see, Santa miraculously bring these presents in the morning. I love that vibe, and yeah, so that's what this video is about, and let's get started with the video. So I made my Christmas wish list on Excel sheets, and just going to be sharing that below. I'll share my Christmas wish list down below so you guys can look at where I get all my links, and it's not an affiliation thing at all. I'm not going to get paid for the links. Okay, so the first thing that I'm asking for is a weighted blanket. It's about $50, and you can get it from Amazon. The reason why I want a weighted blanket is because I feel like as you get older, you definitely have more stress, and the weighted blanket completely de-stresses you. I had a surgery not so long ago, and they put the weighted blanket on me before the surgery, and I said, what is this? Is amazing. Completely relaxed me because surgeries are just not fun, and I'm like, I need one of these. So it's on my Christmas wish list. It's definitely something I'm going to buy myself if I don't get it this year, and yeah, that's number one. Oh, and a quick tip with weighted blankets, my boyfriend told me that it has to be 10% of your body weight, so they have different pounds. I'm getting the 15-pound one, so that's kind of what you have to do with that. Next thing I'm asking for, it's kind of weird and not weird at the same time, but is hand sanitizer from, what's the place called? Bath and Body Works. I always want to say Bed Bath & Beyond, but it's Bath and Body Works. I really want to get hand sanitizer, the eucalyptus kind, just because I'm running out now like crazy. So if I can get some from Bed Bath & Beyond, I mean, you see, Bath and Body Works, I'm going to be so happy, and I'm going to be like, thank you so much, Jesus, Lord, for gifting me this. It just smells amazing. It relaxes you instantly, and it's something for, coronavirus that's going on right now, which you guys still be safe, cases are rising. The next thing I'm asking for are fuzzy socks with grips, and I want like a set of them. You can get them from Amazon as well, and I think this is a good Christmas gift for me because obviously the winter's coming, we want our feet warm. Once you get out of the shower, I like to put lotion on, put my socks on, or just like a morning thing. These ones go for $16. The next thing I want, which is going to be for filming. Filming is still very much my thing that I like to go to. Connecting with you guys is one of my favorite things, so I definitely need a new tripod, a smaller one where I can grip onto things a lot easier, like if I'm in the car or I'm out traveling. Having the ones that I have, like, I'll show you. I have another one right now. It's probably like up here, the one I'm using, and I want it to be like just down here so that I can decide how long I want it, how short I want it. When it comes like this already, it's just kind of hard to work with if you want to put it on books or you want to put it on a table and you want to measure it. It's hard to use. It's hard to measure that out. So I want the Gorilla tripod. It's much smaller. But besides that, the next thing that I have on my list is a new iPhone case. So I have the 10, the X or whatever, which is the 10, and I've had this case for a year now, I believe. Getting a new one would be nice, so I linked 2 down below that I would really, really like. Here are the pictures. They're definitely different prices, as you can see, so people have a choice on which one they would want to get me. I like the turtle shell a little bit more, but I would be happy with the other one as well, and either one I could buy myself too, Next thing I'm looking at is a latte mug, a really big one in the mornings. I really like having a large coffee mug that I can drink from, and I just feel really cozy. So a large coffee mug. There's this one from Kate Spade, which is only $10. I think this is a great gift for someone, even if it's not on your Christmas wish list. Maybe you can give it to a friend. The next thing I have on my Christmas wish list is the Rare Beauty Concealer. I'm wearing the sample one right now that I got from Sephora, and I really liked it. It is a little blotchy, I would say. Granted, I did put on some powder, but still, it's still more on the drier side. And I don't know, I really do like the color of the Rare Beauty thing, and I love Selena Gomez, so I want the Rare Beauty concealer, even though I do feel like it's a little blotchy. I want to try it. Next on my list is a 2021 planner. Your girl is all about setting goals, motivation, and my planner is very specific always. So the one I have this year, sorry for the noise, is this one, and I just really enjoy this planner because it had the stickers, it had an area for notes here, and it said yearly goals, so very much a inspirational planner. Can't talk, can you see it? So there you go. I've met some of them actually. For instance, I did graduate with the 4.0. Well, not really. Like, my senior year, my first semester, I had a 4.0, so I technically didn't graduate with a 4.0, but I got a 4.0, which is all that mattered to me. I went to the gym 3 times a week before coronavirus, which was good. I had to meal prep each week, which was good before coronavirus. And I learned how to make a solid plate for November and Thanksgiving. I know how to make mac and cheese now, but baked mac and cheese. And I networked with 50 people on LinkedIn. I know how to make bomb chicken. I feel like it could get better still, so there's areas and goals to add to my 2021 year planner. And I did pay off my credit card debt. Very much a motivational planner, which is what I'm looking for my 2021 planner. Very excited, so I hope I get it for Christmas, and if I don't, it's totally fine. I'm gonna get it myself. And I like my planners from Target. Those have always been the planners I go to. I've tried to look at like Office Depot and like other areas, but it's always been Target. Target's my favorite place on earth. And so now we're kind of reaching the more expensive side of this video, and I'm going to be asking for the Tory Burch perfume, which is my staple perfume. I have this one. I'll go show you right now. I have this one. It's the Belle Azur. It's so good. It smells amazing. And I also have tried the orange one, which is, put it right here. I want to try to have the orange one again. I like both of them a lot. Like really light, feminine, girly, smells good, feels refreshing. Sometimes I even put it on before bed. I know that's a waste of perfume. I like smelling good for myself. I've done it before even having a boyfriend, so tells you a lot. Next thing I kind of would want, and I'm looking for getting myself, is a Tory Burch purse, and that is because I obviously can't get a Louis Vuitton right now with like the money I'm making at work. So I'm gonna be realistic and try and go for the $248 one, which is doable, especially if I'm saving every month and still paying my debt, you guys, still paying that, putting stuff in my savings, and then having some aside for me. But if it's something someone wants to get me, I'm gonna be like, like that. That's what I'm gonna do. But also not expecting it, like I said, but it'd be a nice, and I'm gonna leave the link down below. And then the next really expensive thing would be Lululemon leggings. I have a couple pairs, but these leggings are just really nice to have. I think everyone should have at least one pair of Lululemon leggings. They're super comfortable. For me, the way that I take care of them is I wash them like delicate and then I hang them. Some people don't care, but you know, Lululemon leggings are expensive, you guys. I'm not going to treat it like it's any normal type of clothing. They are pricey, and I want to make sure that I take care of them with quality care by hanging them up for drying and stuff. So Lululemon leggings, you guys, $98 for the basic pair. If I can get a different color, it would definitely be an olive green. I'm feeling that olive green vibe. As I showed you earlier, the iPhone cases, one was more of that cheetah turtle shell, I think is what they call it, and the olive green. Really into olive green, like right now. I don't know why. And the next is going to be a sweater, which is from Abercrombie & Fitch. I love Abercrombie & Fitch. Is that how you say their name? Abercrombie & Fitch. I should probably know how to say their name if I'm getting it for Christmas, but all of their clothing that I have, I really, really love. So anything from there, because it's on the pricier side, I'm okay with. Specifically this sweater, olive green as well. And this one is $34. I think that's a nice price range, and I think it's on sale right now, which is cool. The next one I want also from the same store are some sweats. If they had olive green, please get me the olive green, or I'm gonna get myself the olive green. I think that color with like some good tennis shoes, so pretty, just a vibe. Next are Nike shoes. So maybe I get the green set, the olive green set with some Nike shoes. Oh my god, look at her, not but look at her shoes, outfit. Yeah. Definitely would love that. And these ones go for $120. They're also olive green. What is happening? I don't know. I think I had a dream with olive green and I just love it. Last but not least, Everlane Leggings. And yes, you are right. I want them in olive green as well. And these ones are $58. They're out of stock. So Santa, you find them. I love you forever. And that's pretty much my Christmas wish list for 2020. I feel like whatever you ask for, just ask for peace, love first, and then see what else is in the budget for the rest. But again, this is just for fun. I'm excited to see how my Christmas wish list changes over the years. As we all know, I don't want toys anymore. I want something for like adult life and feeling cute and cozy, like the weighted blanket. And I hope this gave you guys some inspiration on what you guys could possibly ask for this Christmas. Leaving my Excel sheets down below so you guys can look at the different links if you're interested in any of these items. Again, not affiliated. And I missed you guys. I hope you guys subscribe and put a like in this channel box thing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!